On mornings, it might feel like your shoulders are carrying yesterday's stress. Your core feels shut down, your breath shallow. But the reset doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to start. Let's hit the mat. Start standing or kneeling, clasp your hands behind your back and gently pull them down and away from your spine. Lift your chest and open through the front of your shoulders. The stretch isn't just physical, it's emotional. It reminds your body you don't have to live closed in. I promise this simple move realigns posture, reduces neck tension and frees up your breath, especially if you've been hunching over a desk or screen. Beginners, keep a soft bend in the elbows. Advanced switches, interlace fingers and lift your arms higher for more intensity. Hold it for 5 more seconds. Do you feel that pull through the collarbone? We're just getting started. Next, we go deeper. Come to all fours and now walk your hands forward and melt your chest down toward the mat, keeping your hips stacked over your knees. This is your let go posture. Let go of the tension in your shoulders. Let go of that subtle clench in your jaw. I promise this will open your thoracic spine, decompress your shoulders, and create space to breathe fully again. Beginners, keep elbows bent and stay higher. Advanced switches, stretch your fingers wide and sink your heart deeper toward the floor. Now, challenge yourself to soften your breath. Breathe in and melt 1 inch deeper. 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your back. Now, let's activate your core. Still on all fours, extend your right leg straight back and your left arm straight forward. Pause, now breathe. Can you stay steady without wobbling? This is where core control begins. Not in crunches, but in stillness. I promise, this move fires up deep stabilizers that protect your spine, build balance, and rewire your nervous system. Beginners, keep toes down for balance. Advanced switches, add a pulse at the top for more control. Do you feel the connection from your fingertips to your heel? If not, slow down and squeeze tighter. Ready to switch? Left leg reaches back, right arm reaches forward. This side might feel harder. That's okay. Most people don't realize their imbalance until it shows up in simple moves like this. I promise strengthening both sides equally will reduce back pain and improve posture throughout your day. Keep your gaze soft, breathe. Pulse once, hold, pulse again. 5 more seconds. Now, let's bring it all together with the most energizing reset we've got. From all fours, lift your hips into downward dog, paddle your heels, feel the length in your spine. Now slowly wave forward into cobra. Drop your hips, lift your chest, then return to downward dog. This dynamic transition wakes up the whole body, shoulders, spine, core, hamstrings. I promise this is the most powerful 60-second reset you'll do all day. Beginners, drop to knees in cobra. Advanced switches, add a push-up between transition for more strength. Let's play a little game. How many slow controlled transitions can you complete without rushing? Final round. Push back and breathe in the clarity. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.